Hey there, today I want to show you a gift box because every one of us has been in a position where we're looking for something to send to someone to pick them up, whether it be locally or across the miles. We're looking for a gift to pick someone up, to say happy birthday, to celebrate a holiday, or to just say get well or be well, or I'm thinking about you. Today I want to show you this gift box because I feel that everything in it is useful, and that is rare indeed. So let's check it out. First of all, the box it comes in is worth showing because the presentation already is wonderful. With the daisies, it's bright, it's cheerful, and it says special for you. So we're going to open it up. First of all, the first thing I see in here, I know I'm going to use it. Check mark on that one because it is a satin night sleep mask. So you can darken up the room and sleep well. It's well made, it's satin, it's super soft. Nothing says cozy and comfortable like the softest pair of socks ever. This says thinking of you, good for all occasions, super soft. The fabric is very, very nice. They just say, be comfortable, snuggle up, and relax. So that's a check mark on that. Yes, I would use it. Next we have a glycerin soap. Again, packaged in the daisy motif. Very, very, very pretty. Light scent. So you can put this in your bathroom. You can put it's not overwhelming at all. Yes, the average person would use this. We have a cute little box, and I've left it in the box because presentation is fun. Surprises are fun. And so to get a box like this and the surprises just keep coming, yeah, that's priceless. And especially when they're items that you will like and use. So here we are. We have the candle sending you a big hug, again in the green and daisy theme. So pretty. And again, nice light scent. So it's not overwhelming, it's not perfumey, it's just a nice light scent. So check. Yes, we would use that. Moving on, we have a bath bomb. Who wouldn't use a bath bomb? This would be something that would be very useful, so we're going to check that as a yes. Next, okay, this is one of my favorite items because I kind of sneaked a peek, or should I say a sniff, and this is wonderful. So we have some bath salts. Same design, same pretty colors, in this nice tall jar, and I'm going to tell you, vanilla and coconut, I don't even know how you could beat that scent. So, would I use this personally? Yes, that's a check mark. I would use it, and I'm pretty sure you would too once you got a whiff of it. Pretty nice. Okay, next we have a tumbler. Stainless steel tumbler. Very nice. Has a nice ceiling twist lid with a straw holder, which I like. I love that the straw matches everything else because, you know, we have to stay in this theme, and I love it. Would I use this? Yes, I would. That's another check mark on an item in this box that I would use. So we're moving on. Now we're getting down to the last item. What says, hey, I'm thinking about you. I hope all is well. I hope you have a wonderful day. I want you to feel good. I hope you get better. Happy birthday. Happy Mother's Day. Like a big, cozy, snuggly, soft blanket to cuddle up with in. To cuddle up with. It says sometimes you forget you are awesome. So this is your reminder. So I want to say this about this blanket. Some blankets you get in these kits, and they're not anything that you would want to snuggle up with. You'd want to snuggle up with this. I can tell you, I want to snuggle up with this. So yes, this is useful also. Check mark on that. Now we've gone through everything in this gift box. Every item in here is something that I would use, and I believe most people would use. If you're looking for a gift to just reach out and tell someone you're thinking about them, or for whatever holiday or whatever event, this is a really nice way to say, hey, I love you and I'm thinking about you. Check it out. Thank you to the brand for sending me the sample for review, and thanks for watching. Thank you to the brand for sending me the sample for review, and thanks for watching.